Genoa, the birthplace of pesto, basil, pine nuts, olive oil, garlic, cheese. Boom! Perfect, right? But wait, here comes the pistachio, crashing the party. This Sicilian newcomer is shaking things up, challenging the traditional Ligurian way. Some are yelling, "That's crazy." Others are whispering, "This is awesome." That's Italian food in 2025, folks. A clash between the old ways and the new. Italian food, simple, fresh, local. That's how it's been for centuries. Ancient Romans were all about grains, olives, and wine. Medieval monks grew their own veggies and herbs. Different regions created their own special dishes, depending on what they could grow. This food history is a big deal for Italians. But is it stuck in the past? Or is it still changing and growing? The world's gotten a lot smaller, hasn't it? Now, we can get ingredients from anywhere. Japanese yuzu zest is making seafood pasta pop. Korean gochujang is adding a spicy kick to ragu. Peruvian purple corn is dusting fancy ravioli. Chefs are getting creative and trying new things. Some are loving it, others, not so much. How much change is too much? When does tradition become something new entirely? Some people think classic recipes are sacred. Messing with them is like a major culinary sin. Others say, hey, things change. Tradition is cool, but it shouldn't hold us back. It's a big debate happening in kitchens all over Italy. Italian food, a work in progress. Adding new ingredients isn't just a fad. It shows how Italian culture is changing. A new generation is growing up with all kinds of flavors. They want something new and exciting on their plates. This food evolution shows how Italy is dealing with globalization and how it affects who they are. Straight from the chefs. Chefs are leading this food revolution. They have a lot to say. Tradition is important, says Chef Giulia from Rome, but it shouldn't stop us from being creative. We can respect the old ways and still try new things. Food critic Marco from Milan adds, it's all about balance. New ingredients should make Italian food better, not take over. The science of mixing flavors. Adding new ingredients isn't random. It's like a careful dance of flavors. Yuzu's citrusy smell goes great with seafood. Gochujang's savory notes make meat sauces richer. Purple corn adds an earthy taste to pasta. Chefs are like mad scientists, mixing and matching flavors to create amazing new dishes. Growing or going away? Is Italian food losing its identity, or is it just changing with the times? It's a tough question. We could lose what makes Italian food special if we chase after the latest trends. But we also have a chance to make Italian food even more exciting. The trick is to find the sweet spot, to be creative without losing the heart of Italian food. A tasty future. The future of Italian food is a mix of old and new. Classic dishes will always be around, but they'll be joined by new creations that show how Italian tastes are changing. One thing's for sure. Italians love food, family, and having fun. That will never change.